Welcome to the solution for question 1. Okay, the first thing we need to do with this equation is to expand the brackets. So the first thing you're really looking for is a 12 in the first line of working, and that's going to be the first mark. Then we're looking to rearrange the equation to make x the subject. And so the next two steps can be done in either order, with the taking away of 2x and the taking away of 12, or 8 actually. Then you're left with just two terms, 2x and 4, and when they're on opposite sides of the equal sign, there is a negative. So the final answer is x equals -2.